Hey, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Today's question is from Tim from North Dakota. Tim up there in North Dakota. Tim asks us, what about advertising and promotions of my small business? Okay. Well, what about it? Okay. I will tell you that your business growth will be influenced by how well you plan and exercise an advertising program, okay? Because it's one of the main creators of your business's image. It must be well planned and well budgeted, okay? There's plenty of advertising agencies that you can reach out to. You can always reach out to me. I have very, very good sources of advertising agencies that can set up really good promotional strategies for advertising for your small business. You know, advertising and promotion in small business you have to do it. And I will tell you, during just using the pandemic as an example, many companies, the first thing they did is cut their marketing, advertising, and promotional budgets completely out, thinking they were going to conserve cash flow over a short term and get through the pandemic. Well, the thinking about that, right? If you're not advertising, doing promotions, marketing, doing these things for your business, that means you've cut off the acquisition process, and every business has a churn rate, and eventually you will churn out of prospects and customers and clients, and your business is dead. It's a budget you better never cut. You always got to be doing it, and that's what's going to keep you growing, and that's what will keep you going during recessions and all these other things too. You got to keep doing it. Whether you like it or not, don't be the one that dies because you cut it out of the budget. All right? Tim, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for tuning into the Daily Dose today. As always, smash that like button and leave us a comment. You can reach out to me at strategicadvisorboard.com. And as always, go dream it, believe it. You can go achieve it. We will see you on the next episode of The Dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God.